Hello and welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita and I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods. This is an organic baby and kids food store which is majorly online now, but we have spread our roots to many offline stores in Bangalore and across India. And we come across a lot of questions where parents ask what is good for a 6-month-old, what is good for 8 months, and what product should I buy for my 1-year-old. So when my customer support team insisted, I started making a series of videos on this. In our last video, I spoke about 6 months baby food products that can be purchased from us, and now I'm talking about 8 months baby food. If you haven't watched it, the link would be in the description box. Please check it. And let's start talking about 8 months baby foods from Tots and Moms Food Store. To give you a brief about what Tots and Moms Foods is, we are a USDA Certified Organic Baby Food Store and operating since 2014. Our products, our brand has been reaching out to many parents across the world, and they understand how important it is to have a healthy next generation, and for that what we need to do today is offer them healthy foods, chemical free, preservative free, natural, 100% as it is made is in your kitchen, because we do not add anything. The way our products are preserved is by using triple layer foil, which ensures that the product nutrition is taken care of for a longer period, that is 8 months, up to 8 months only. The maximum our product shelf life is only 8 months, and this triple layer foil takes care of it, and definitely all the rules, regulations are followed, and that is when we get certified. We mention that on our products. Some of our products have a shelf life of 6 months where we use jaggery like drink mixes, but otherwise baby food products, cereals are made of dry ingredients, and that's why the shelf life is up to 8 months. Before talking about 8 months food product, I had mentioned that at 6 months single ingredient products are good, and if you are making at home, purees, porridges is ideal along with these food. Variety is the key. At 8 months, we can start with multiple ingredients. We can introduce sprouts, dry fruits, millets to them, and those are the combinations which I would be recommending now. Remember, no salt, sugar or honey till an year, but you can offer cow's milk. Cow's milk while cooking porridges. Cow's milk as an alternative to breast milk or formula is a big no-no. We have made a detailed video on that, you can check it. But as an ingredient in a porridge, you can use that. While we cook it, it becomes edible. The lactose is broken down and it is easily digestible for babies. Okay, we will give you a list of 6 products today. There are around there are more products that I do not want you to get confused with. So we'll talk about best selling products. Best selling products are best loved products by babies. That's what I totally mean with, but there are other products which are liked by them as well. We will even show that to you. Our first product is instant ragi, almond and dates. Instant food mixes are something that you can add piping hot water, mix it, let it settle for 5 minutes and then offer to your child. Like other brand products, you don't have to cook it when you are in a hurry while you are traveling. This makes an ideal food. Now this is a combination with ragi, almond and dates, as the name says. Ragi, finger millet, is rich in iron. Almond is a great memory booster which helps in healthy weight gain because it has healthy fat as well, and dates gives it a natural sweetening, and all together it is a tasty combination and nutritious combination for your child. The next one is instant oats khichdi. Khichdi, the term is so famous in India. When we talk about healthy food, khichdi tops the chart because it is made of a grain, a dal or a lentil, and healthy spices. So we have moong dal khichdi as well, which is made with moong dal, rice and cumin, pepper, and this is oats khichdi which has an additional oats in it. Oats are rich in fiber and great for growing babies and easily digestible as well. So this oats khichdi can be offered at this age for your child. after 8 months only. And along with this, there are 4 other products. Altogether, there are 6 different varieties of instant mixes that you can check. Please choose the ingredient which is close to you, I mean, which you have been using, that the baby adapts easily initially. So this is about our instant mixes section. The next product is multigrain banana cereal. As the name says, it has multigrain, which is made of multiple lentils, pulses, grains, and Kerala banana powder. Kerala banana is rich in potassium, phosphorus, healthy fiber as well. Now all these ingredients combine to make this super cereal, and most parents love it because even when cooked, you can see, because of the presence of Kerala banana, it becomes a creamy porridge, and it also has dry fruits in it, which makes a wholesome, nutrient rich food for your children. And there are 5 varieties of cereals that you can choose from. Please have a look at all these and choose the right one for your baby. The next product is sprouted sattu mavu. This falls under porridges section. Sprouted sattu mavu is made of sprouts, and sattu mavu, if I have to elaborate, it is a Tamil word. Sattu means nutrition, mavu means flour. So as the name says, it is a sprouted nutritious flour. Now this is again a great weight gaining product. Most of parents love it because it is also an immunity booster. It is a traditional food, a very local one to India, that people love it across the country. Many in North India have it as a healthy drink. Now everyone uses this as a healthy porridge for their child. Though it comes, the root is in South India, it is very famous countrywide, and everyone likes to offer this to their children, and that's why I'm sure this has become our best sellers. Since 7 years we have been doing this, and now I see many brands have started doing this sattu mavu. So sattu mavu is an amazing food for children. We have 4 different porridges. Please check all of them. Okay, we'll talk about an amazing food, dry fruits powder. This is the #1 bestseller at our website, at our shop. As the name says, it is a combination of dry fruits, almonds, pista, cashew nuts. It also has turmeric and nutmeg. Nutmeg in a very small quantity. It is super healthy. It has to be given to children, as most Indian parents or grandparents recommend, or as the Ayurveda says. So it is a healthy combination. We all know how good dry fruits are. It has good healthy fats, it has immune boosting ability, it has good protein as well, required for growing babies. We can chew and have it whenever we want, but for children this is an ideal way, I would say, because you can add just a spoonful to their porridge, or their if you have a grown up, for their milkshake, or with pancake, or even with roti or dosa dough or batter. You can add it and serve it to your children. There are multiple ways that you can offer dry fruits to your children, dry fruit powder. And a few of them asked us that they want walnuts and they don't want turmeric. So we came up with nuts and seeds powder. This has almost all the similar ingredients like almond, pista, cashew nut, but comes with walnut, and there is no turmeric, so nutmeg and pumpkin seeds are also there. So an amazing combination. This can also be added just a spoonful. After cooking porridge, you can just mix a spoonful of it and offer to your child. It makes for a great nutrition booster. Last but not the least, dry dates powder. It is not recommended to offer sugar till a year for babies, but this is made of dry dates, a natural sweetener. This is nothing else added, no chemicals involved at all. It is iron rich and it adds a great taste for babies to have porridges, or older ones for, as I was telling, smoothies, milkshake, pancake. Even if you are preparing cake as a sugar alternative, you can use this. And even older people or adults like us can have this we can replace sugar in our tea or coffee and use dry dates powder. If you're starting now, I would say start half and half sugar, half dry dates, so that you get adjusted to the taste sooner. And yeah, there are so many products that one can get confused. One can be worried how to buy bigger packets, and if my child doesn't like it, it will be a big waste. So trial packs come for the rescue. These come in combo trial packs boxes, and 50 grams each of them are, and our parents love them because it helps them choose the right one. And even while traveling, when they can't carry the bigger boxes, they carry these. So this is one thing I wanted to say. And many of them asked us, there are so many products, why should I buy many? One or two which my baby likes is good. No, variety is the key. When it comes to taste, you don't want to bore your baby. When it comes to nutrition, if you're giving ragi every day, iron is there, but what about calcium, other minerals? You need to offer all different ingredients, and you also want them to adapt easily later. So sweet, savory, and different textures, different flavors is what your baby needs now, so that it grows up to become a non-picky eater. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Our products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, and Meesho. All these websites you can have a look, purchase our products from there, or our own shop.totsandmoms.com. We'll be more than happy, because if you're purchasing regularly, you get reward points. You can utilize them and purchase again. And we also have referral bonus. If you can refer your friend, you will get some points which can be used as a discount point while your next purchase. So all these benefits are there. 888-444-7337 is our customer care number. Feel free to call Varsha. She'll be more than happy to support you. You can even WhatsApp on that number. So I will bid bye. Thank you so much.